You're going to add positive and negative rational numbers. Number 10, evaluate 1/5 plus 3/5. Notice that the denominator, which is the lower value here, are the same. Because they're the same, we can now just add them. This is equivalent to, we have a 1/5. That is like saying you have a piece of pizza, you have 5 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one of them is shaded. Okay, then you have another piece of pizza, the same amount. Okay, and this is also 5 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 3 shaded there. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and together you have 4 shaded pieces over 5 total slices. Okay, so that's what it evaluates into. 1/5 plus 3/5 becomes 4/5. Okay, we just add the top values as long as the denominators are the same. B, can we just add the tops together? No, because the bottom numbers are different. We have a 10 and a 5. We have to find the least common multiple of 5 and 10. Okay, so 5 becomes 10, 15, and 20. 10 can become 10, 20, 30, and so on. It looks like they have these numbers together, common, which is 10. So we have 3/5. We're trying to make the bottom number into a 10. So we multiply the bottom by 2. So we also have to multiply the top by 2. The 3/10, look, the bottom number is already 10. So you don't have to do anything to it. So let's do the multiplication now. To the left side, to the left fraction. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 5 is 10. Plus the right hand, the other fraction, which is 3/10. Now the fact that the denominators are the same, the bottom numbers are the same, we can now just add the top. 6 plus 3, which is 9, and there are 10 total pieces. So that's what you evaluate that into 9/10. Next, we have negative 2/5 plus 5/7. Notice here that the bottom number, which is the denominators, are not the same. Therefore, we have to find the least common multiple between 5 and 7. Okay, so these two don't have anything in common before listing them out. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to multiply them by each other. So 5, I can multiply 5 by 7. So 7 on the bottom, 7 on the top. 7 here, I'm going to multiply by 5 on the bottom, 5 to the top. Okay. Now we can evaluate it. 7 times 2, which is 14. 7 times 5, which is 35. And notice it was a negative number, so we just still put it as a negative number. Then the next fraction, 5 times 5 is 25. And the bottom number, 7 times 5 is 35. Notice here, when we just multiply the two denominators together, we get the LCM here, which is 35. Now we can add these together. Negative 14 plus 25. And on the bottom number, it's always 25. So the top value looks like it is a 13, positive 13. And the bottom number is 25. So negative 2/5 plus 5/7 becomes 13/25.